The printer is working tirelessly, but I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna work anyway though.
Okay, so the earpiece is printed separate on this helmet. So we gotta sand off the paint where it needs to glue down. And glue it down. Take this coarse sandpaper.
Where's your eye protection?
Well, this is your job, so I'm just showing you what to do. Okay? So you're gonna sand that down.
So grumpy.
Also, we got a new Dremel tool. Might need to use the smaller attachment. Yeah, I'm gonna put it smaller.
The baby one. Baby tools.
I'm gonna get the soldering iron to make the rest of it.
Really?
Oh, that's good.
Better?
That's good, just like that. See, there's, come on, dude, please. But there's like clumps, right? But no, it's not safe for you to be that close, dude.
Okay, so you're checking the picture.
Yeah.
To make sure. Always double check.
I mean, the 3D printed, the print is lined up pretty perfect, but
Can't hurt to check.
yeah.
Sanding it all the way back down to
Yes.
the original.
Yeah.
Okay.
To the 3D printed material.
Okay.
But yeah, just, I'll show you how far. That's good. See?
Okay.
Down to the lines.
Okay.
So like that side's almost done. You just got
Oh.
to do all up here.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Here you go. I got work to do. So.
Dude, I got work to do. Stop bothering me. And then I lightly sanded the back of these, and we're gonna glue them on. Okay.
So you're gonna not be able to film.
Yeah, I can spray with my right hand,
Okay.
I think.
Cool.
Yep, this is the spray.
Yep.
How much spray do I spray? Just like last time?
Yep. Around the edges.
Around the edges.
I'll tell you when.
Tell me when. Ready? Okay.
A little farther away.
Is that good enough?
Yep. That's good.
That's enough?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Smelly.
Go ahead. Yep.
More?
That's it.
It's looking pretty good. Now what are you gonna do? So how come you're using the popsicle stick instead of your finger this time?
So you can like shove it in that crack easier.
Hi.
Because we're trying to cover up the seam from the other side. Because the earpiece just didn't quite fit. And I probably could have spent a little bit of time heating it up and making it fit, but...
Yeah. What's up, yo?
Harrison just texted the group chat and was like, did anyone show up? And I was like, to what? And he's like, exactly. I'm like, tights. I was like, where did my shoes go? Hi,
It's like a family thing. Do you like having your family all around you while you're working?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. A weird lighting time right now because there's light coming in from the garage. It's hard to see.